Hello friends, now files have been extracted. It was the folder whose name was elig-2.3.1. I renamed it as 1. You can rename it as any folder which you want. Now for completing the instructions, now for completing the elig installation, we need to access the elig in our browser. To do that, simply go to your browser and enter the name of your website. Mine website name is, since I uploaded it in subdomain subfolder and I created a subdomain. My website name is facebook.makefriends.website, and it is in a subfolder, and I renamed it as 1, so /1, and click enter or search. Now it is showing me that elig welcome installing elig 6 elig has 6 simple steps, and reading this welcome is first one. Or if you aren't already read the instructions, now you can read it step by step. So I will click on next. Yeah, my server satisfied the PHP's requirement, and web server, the test of rewrite rules was successful. I initially told you that for hosting the elig you need a PHP version of 5.2 or more in your web server. That is your host. I am hosting it with GoDaddy. Database privileges, database username. You need to create a database. Now I will tell you how to create a database. Simply go to your web host and log in. My web host is GoDaddy login, and simply I will click on the first result. Now it will show me a screen. My username is already written. It is saying something to me, but I will ignore it for this time, and I will enter my password. You entered an incorrect username or password. Sorry, I will re-enter my password. It is asking, browser is asking whether do you want to save your password. I will click on close this message for the time being. Now it is my account, and I will go to my products. And I will simply click on manage web hosting. I will simply go to manage. And it is loading. Now for creating database you will see an option like this, which I am seeing here: databases, PHP MyAdmin, MySQL databases, MySQL database wizard, and remote MySQL. To create database, go to MySQL databases, or you can even create it from MySQL database wizard. Since I am using the maximum allotment of 1, I will show you how to create a database, but still I can show you how to create a database. This is page 1, MySQL add new user. I can add a user, or I can add user to database. Now since I am looking to create a database, so I need to go to my SQL wizard for creating the database. and it is loading MySQL database wizard. This is showing me to create a database. You just need to enter the name of your database. I am entering it as my name. The database Shashank is already exists. Go to MySQL. Go back. Now again back. It does not allow you to do in this way. I will need to access it from the tabs of this window. I will simply create. I need to go to that. I will go to home to access to my SQL wizard. We are very near of creating a website, as I showed you in my first video. MySQL database wizard. I am entering a random name. It is still showing it is already existing. Perhaps I created it in my this doesn't exist. I am really sure. And now it is asking for user. You just need to create a user, then a password, then again password, and click on create user, and your database will be created. Now for the time being I will use my current database. To know how many database you have created, go to MySQL databases. You can modify repair database, and you can see the name of database. You can see the name of users. You can see how much data is in your database, and you can even rename it or delete it. I will use the same database, which is EGLA users in my case. I will just copy it and paste it. Password for the above password is the password which you created while creating the database. So please remember that password. Name of the in that field I have to enter the user which you have created while creating that database. Name of the ELIC database which I copied from previous step. Localhost. You do not need to modify this name, but I will modify it because I have already I have already files in my database whose prefix is ELIC dash. So I will create ELIC1 dash, and I will go to next step. I will just simply click no on it every time. It just asks for me whether I want to save the password or not. Now it will ask you site email address for communication, as your users will need to verify the email, and ELI will send some required data to your users. So which email address should your site should use for communicating with the users? So I will enter Facebook friends. You may choose any path, any email address @your site, that is makefriends.website. Site URL, data directory. Now we need to access the data directory in which we created, in which we uploaded our ELIC file, ELIC zip folder. So which is in my case is this is the starting path. I will copy it and I will paste it over here, and I will again go to control panel to know the full path, and I will need to enter the file manager, and I will click on go, and it is loading. This is the starting path, and my file is in public HTML. I will double click over here, and it is in 1. Sorry friends, it is in Facebook. I will double click over it and /1. So the address of my website where I uploaded the ELIC is public /HTML /Facebook /1, and click next. Okay, it is time to create the admin account. Now display name for your admin, which I am creating Shashank Saini 12. Email address, you should remember this email address. It will help. You will face a lot of difficulty if you will not remember this password, this email address. Account username for logging in, that is again the same, Shashank Saini 12. Account password, you need to enter a password which must be at least 6 digits, and you need to retype the password and click on next. Finished, and then you can go to your site. And it is loading, which we can see from here, and then your site is ready. That is my site, and you can access your site, your domain / the folder in which you created your folder you installed your ELIC file, and /admin, that is the admin portion of your website. Now let's see how your site looks after accessing the file. That is my site is facebook.makefriends.website /1 /Facebook, no sorry /1, because I am directly accessing it. And now this is your site which you have created your site. It looks like it. Fine friend, but you will not get, but still you have not gotten the result which I showed you. You have got an activity page, you can blog page, bookmark page, and more, and members and total members. This is which you have created after following this tutorial, and you will able to access. Let me tell you friends, if in case you face any difficulty, you may post any question in the comment portion, and I will reply to you within a reasonable time. So friends, you have created this website. Now we need to configure it. First I am logging out. Now this is the portion of your website which you have created. Your users will see this site when they will enter the name of your website. You are seeing that this is powered by Elix, and you have no home page as I showed in my first video. You are seeing this login here, and you may need to configure your website, so you need to go to your admin area, access the name which you created and the password which you created while installing the Elix, and log in into your account. That is your now click on account and administration. This is your site. Now let me tell you some important things. Click on plugin. Now let me tell you some important things. What is a plugin? A plugin adds the functionality to your site. Functionality means like whether adding blog capabilities to click, whether your users should have capability to add blog to this website or not, and so many plugins. A plugin means the functions which your users and you can perform in simple language. Login as, allow admin to login as other user. If you want to login as other user and you are the admin of website, just click on activate, and after some seconds it will activate. Now it has been activated. Okay, statistics. If you are see the statistics, you can see the users of your website, you can see the utilities you these are the things which you need to, you will learn by when you will do the things by yourself. Appearance, you can change the appearance of your website from here. Menu items, edit profile fields, default widgets, plugins, settings and utilities. This is the website which you have created. In the next tutorial I will show you how to modify this website and create a website which I showed you in my first video. Till then